What if I told you that one of the most powerful secrets to great sleep, healing, and even long life is something as simple as turning off the lights? Not just the big lights, but even those tiny blinking ones. Could it be that in trying to modernize our lives, we've unknowingly declared war on our own rest? Let's talk about the miracle of melatonin and the forgotten wisdom of the dark. In today's fast-paced, always lit world, sleep is often the first sacrifice we make. But science and ancient wisdom agree. How we sleep determines how we live. Poor sleep leads to poor health, poor focus, low energy, and even chronic disease. One simple practice can change all that. Sleeping in complete darkness. Yes, full lights out. This isn't just about comfort. It's about biology, healing, and reclaiming your health. Melatonin is a hormone naturally made by the pineal gland in the brain. But here's the secret. Melatonin is only produced in darkness. When night falls and light fades, your body begins to release this powerful substance. The result? You feel sleepy, your body begins repairing itself, and your nervous system calms down. But when the lights stay on, or even when there are small blinking lights from your stereo, phone charger, or digital clock, melatonin production plummets. You may not notice it immediately, but your body does. Our ancestors, especially in African villages, slept in total darkness. No electricity, no phones buzzing at midnight, no television screens glowing in the corner. Just stillness, darkness, peace. And back then, diseases like cancer were rare. Now, in our overly lit environments, chronic illness is rising. Why? Because light exposure at night doesn't just interfere with sleep. It confuses your body's internal clock, suppresses melatonin, and robs your cells of their natural antioxidant shield. Melatonin is not just a sleep aid. It's one of the body's most powerful antioxidants, fighting off free radicals that damage your DNA and immune system. Melatonin doesn't just help you fall asleep. It boosts your immune system. It repairs your cells. It reduces inflammation. It even protects against some cancers. But here's the catch. It can't work unless the room is dark. Even blinking LED lights can suppress melatonin. That tiny blue or red dot on your charger or stereo, that's enough to disrupt your body's rhythm. So cover them, unplug them, or place a dark cloth over them at night. Your body will thank you. In African villages and other ancient cultures, people rose with the sun and slept with the moon. Their bodies healed during deep, uninterrupted sleep. There were no artificial lights, only firelight, moonlight, or stars. And though they had fewer modern conveniences, they had better rest, stronger bodies, and fewer diseases. That kind of natural rhythm is what your body still craves today. It's written in your biology. Practical tips for a sleep-friendly night. Turn off all lights. Yes, even the small ones. Use blackout curtains to block outside street lights. Remove or cover digital clocks or chargers that glow. Avoid screens, TV, phones, tablets at least 1 hour before bed. Try a sleep mask. If you can't, block all light. Let your body relearn the rhythm of nightfall. Dim lights early in the evening. If you're always tired, struggling with your energy, or wondering why your body isn't healing like it used to, consider this. Maybe it's not what you're doing in the day but what you're not doing at night. Total darkness is not the enemy, it is the healer. Darkness triggers the miracle hormone your body is desperately waiting for. Sometimes, to move forward in health, we must return to the wisdom of our ancestors. Sleep in the dark, rise with the light. Let your body breathe, heal, and perform at its best. Fix it at the root. Start tonight. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs better rest and restored health. Leave a comment. I'm committing to lights out tonight. Let's start a movement of sleep and healing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, ironically, during the day for more life-changing insights from Reclaim Your Life. Find out more tips to boost your joy in my book, Strive to be Happy, Powerful Tools on How To, available on Amazon.com.